What's up everyone, and welcome to Hardware for Gamers. This is going to be a quick review of the mATX 110 from DeepCool. The mATX 110 comes in both black and white and has an MSRP of 65 USD, but can be typically found for around 50 USD. This case is very easy to build in, and I really like the way the tempered glass side panel attaches to the chassis. I also really like the way this case looks. Now, simply put, the mATX 110 is a beautiful, well-built case, but it has shit airflow. As you can see in these charts, the mATX 110 is pretty much dead last in all of them. Even with 5 fans in this case, I'm not comfortable with the GPU temperatures. So based off my temperature testing, I cannot recommend the mATX 110. Now, if you are looking for a mini tower micro ATX case, I would recommend checking out the NR400 from Coolmaster or the H1M from Silverstone. They are both really good cases. However, if you do want to learn more about the mATX 110, there will be a link in the description to my full review. Well, that's my quick review of the mATX 110. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.